Maranata's looking gross like that, just wait. I will tell you how I made it go from that to look like this. It all in the matter of a month. I didn't even try to save this hoe, but I'll let you know what I did in case y'all are interested in saving yours. So look, it's lush, it's green, it's everything you need, darling. So the first thing I did, well, not the first thing I did, but this is what you should do. So take some scissors, take some isopropyl alcohol. Always first, you want to make sure there's no bacteria going on that hoe, and they're going to want to snippity-doo-dah, snippity-yay, okay? And then just to make sure, because dead leaf matter can breed mold or other kinds of bacteria that you just don't want near your plant that's already kind of on the struggle bus. And then sometimes you find new little leaves. Hey, girl, how you doing? But yeah, so then you just want to make sure that your soil's always minimum halfway damp, not soaking wet, damp. Because it's a tropical plant. And then I'll show you what environment it is in. So it was in a tiny ass room. I said, fucking humidifier, I'm sticking you next to that window, closing the door. Yes, you saw that correctly. Stick your plant in there, close the door. Make sure there's no draft because it loves the humidity. It is a tropical plant. Once again, if you need to check the moisture, make sure that, actually I need to water this, girl. So if it's at least halfway, you're good. If you need to double check and the meter's running weird, just double check if there's soil clinging on there. It's relatively damp. But yeah, look at this. It's lush. It's green. It's ba-da-da-da-ding. So just stick that heifer next to a window. Close the door. That's your source of humidity.